Okay, first I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how to increase the value of your company and generate some more exposure on Google. There's three key factors that come into play with that: content, backlinks, and citations. So I have your website here, Raleigh Handyman. So I typed in Handyman of Raleigh. Now, just to cover a few things, every time something is typed into the Google search bar, these are considered keywords. Google uses these keywords to find websites that best fit the search criteria. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Google crawls millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to the keywords or the phrase that was typed in here, and then categorizes those websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. So as we come down the page here, we see we have some ads. Then we have the map area or the map pack. Ranking in the map pack is directly related to your Google Business profile and the area of coverage that you want to cover, along with citations. Citation is a name, address, or phone number. Directories that are citations, for example, would be Yelp, Angie, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. So having a rank right here within the map generates a lot of local traffic, and that creates a lot of leads. That's very beneficial. Underneath the map, if you ever wonder, how do businesses get here on the first page, it's with your organic ranking, your content, and what's within your website. For example, this here, Yelp and Angie's, these are advertisements. So when somebody is looking for a service or typed in something that they're looking for and they come into Yelp and you're listed in here, you are you're being diluted with every other company that's in here. So it isn't a specific lead to you. You're sharing what somebody's looking for with the rest of the businesses that are in here. So you really want to have your website ranking on the first page so that anyone that clicks on it is directly going to you. You're not sharing your leads with somebody else. We have Mr. Handyman here as number 6. I chose to use him as an example because the house is an advertisement, the Better Business is an advertisement, Home Advisor is an advertisement. So understanding why he's here. So again, we have your website, and I have a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what's going on behind the scenes with the business and how they're ranking and what is their structure. I did say backlinks are a major ranking factor. Backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. Google uses that to build trust in your business. It creates popularity. You want to take into consideration that not all backlinks are created equal. So you would not necessarily want a landscaping company linking back to you as a general contractor or a handyman. It doesn't carry as much weight as another contractor or handyman referring to you would. Also, 16 referring domains, other websites that are connected to you, and it looks like you have about 20 keywords generating 2 views a month in traffic. So when we take a look at the Mr. Handyman of Wake County, now you have to understand he's covering Wake County, so this is a massive overtaking. There is a lot going on behind the scenes with him. He has 208,000 backlinks, 7,000 referring domains, 86,000 keywords, generating him 258,000 views per month. Now I know that's an extreme amount of numbers, and that's what makes him so strong, but he's also covering Wake County, so the county as a whole. But just to give you an idea of the content and how these keywords work, we'll take a look here. So you have the keyword being typed in or what somebody is searching for. So if somebody's searching for handyman in Raleigh, these are the keywords being typed in. And how many times per month that these particular keywords get typed in. So handyman gets typed in 190,000 times. and he has this keyword built into the content of his website. Handyman services 37,000 times. Well, we have Mr. Handyman, but that's a reflection of his site and his business. About handyman services near me, 31,000 times a month. So you can quickly see if you had the right content and the right keywords built into your website on the first page or within there. You typically want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content within your site. You can see that all of these keywords that are being searched generate a lot of exposure. So having the right content and the right keywords built into your website will generate tons of exposure to you for what people are looking for or whatever services that somebody is looking to have done. With that being said, there's a lot going on here. Again, these are all advertisements that you are sharing your services with. So you have home maintenance, you have installations. There's a lot of keywords that you could be targeting, generating a lot of exposure to your website, and therefore getting you to rank on that page and move you within there. So having a better idea of your business profile and the backlinks, the citations, and really the keywords for what people are searching for creates a lot of value within the business and how your website is recognized through Google and how you become an authority in what services that you are offering. So with that being said, it's just important to understand how that works. You can have a website and wonder why you're not getting a lot of traffic. I have a website built, but I'm not seeing a lot of calls from it. I wonder what's going on. And it really relates to the content and the keywords that you have in there. So with just a few tweaks in your content and your keywords, you could be generating yourself that much more exposure and getting recognized and seen for the services that you offer. So I hope that you have a better understanding on that and how that works. If you had any questions or concerns, I'd be more than happy to work with you. Really appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you, and have a nice day.